morning, guys. Technically it's not even morning, but anyway, Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Today is the second day of Ramadan. I feel like the time is going fast because yesterday I felt like it went by so quickly, even though I had like a very shambolic day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. And this one today, I feel like I'm doing another shambolic one, but I'm gonna go out to eat today with one of my friends. We're going to like a Persian restaurant, so that is what we are going to record. Currently I'm picking up my little brother from school, and then after that I need to quickly go get some onions and some water and all of that for my mum. So you guys are gonna come with me. We're gonna go Costco, we're gonna go to Lidl, we're gonna go Asda probably. I don't know, I feel like I'm doing like a whole shop, but anyway, that's what we are going to do. So let's get into this vlog. Anyway guys, I just did the shop. So we are, Lidl is done now. We're gonna go to, it's raining like crazy, we're gonna go to Costco and do our next shop. The hunger is hitting me because I just had like a little bit of porridge and water because I was so tired. Like now I'm regretting it, but another 2 hours left, we can push through. Oh yeah guys, I feel so weird recording while I'm in the shops because everyone is just staring at me and I'm just like So I'm just trying to hide in aisles. By the way, I saw someone that I know and then I left my trolley and ran away because I didn't want to talk to them. So I hope they don't see me, but let me show you guys what I got so far. Water, butter, sugar, water. There's more water there and there's some juice. Just like walking around to see what else I can get. Why I feel a little bit weird as well. Normally I do this with my brothers or with my mum. Now I'm doing it all by myself and I feel a bit out of place because I don't know what to do. So I'm just trying to figure. I called my mom like 3 times asking her what she wants. So that is like the story in Balamori at the moment. And yeah, they have some noodles that everyone is going crazy about. I don't know if I want to get some and try it. You know what is weird? Yeah, I've never tried them in my life. So who needs a man? We can do everything yourself. Hey guys, so I just finished the shopping. I'm telling you, Costco, like I don't know how I did Costco by myself because normally I always do it with my siblings or I do it with my mom and stuff, but this time I had to run away. Good morning guys, so today is day 3 of Ramadan. I'm gonna put vlog 2 and 3 together because I didn't really record a lot for day 2. I was just literally running around half the time. Today I'm gonna have like a busy day. There's things that I was meant to do yesterday that I didn't do that I need to do today. Then I need to go to my friend's baby's first birthday. I'm gonna quickly get ready. I need to go get his birthday present because I was meant to do it yesterday, I didn't do it, so I need to run now. Then I need to go to my friend's house, do her makeup, and then go to the party. So let me look presentable because this is not working out. I just got ready. This is the makeup that I went for and I wore all black because that's just me. Today I'm just so exhausted. I need to now run. I'm already running behind schedule because I had to be at my friend's house at 11 o'clock to do her makeup and it's like 11:30 I think, and I still need to go Argos to get my little baby a gift. So let's go get the gift and then we'll deal with the rest later. You know what, yeah, the weather today is not even that bad. See you later. Well, she's saying bye to me. Anyway, the weather is not bad. I have all my makeup and stuff that I need to do my friend for. My eyes are actually becoming very watery, but let's get to the car. Guys, the weather is so nice today. I'm gonna go to Argos, hopefully Wembley, so then I can also get what's it called, so I can also get like a gift bag and everything to put stuff in. the gift that I have in mind, I hope they have it. I need to literally check Argos now before I go there, and I don't have, they don't have what I need. Anyway, so I want to get this like cocoa melon teddy bear. I asked my friend, I said, does he like cocoa melon? And she goes, yes. So I was like, okay, cool. So that's what I'm gonna do. And also probably a little bit of clothes and stuff. You know, I'm so annoyed that I could have done this yesterday, but like I had so much stuff to do for my mom, and then it just got late, and then it was iftar time, and I was like, yeah, I'm not bothered to go anyway. So yeah, hopefully I'm able to get everything together now. As I just got back to the car, and I got a couple good stuff that I want to show you guys, because I feel like I'm very proud with the purchase that I got. Okay, let me show you guys. So the first item that I got was this, is this clock. It says shape shorten clock, so it's like wooden, and then like you can play with it. Got that one. He loves cocoa melon, so I got him this cocoa melon teddy bear. It says try me, press my tummy. Should we press the tummy? I think there's no batteries in it. Anyways, so I think if you put batteries in it, it will sing to you and stuff like that. So it looks like that. I also likes Paw Patrol, so I got him this Paw Patrol bag. I was looking for like a teddy bear like the cocoa melon one, but it was out of stock. So this is like the next alternative that we found. And I got him like a little ball to play with. So yeah, that is my present. I was going to get a card, but I forgot, and I have no pen to write anything in. So I'm already running an hour late behind. So let me quickly go to my friend. Everything in this like red gift bag. I was looking for the ones that say like happy birthday and stuff, but I couldn't find any. Don't know why like all of them are gone. But yeah, I put everything in there. Let me show you guys. Proper organizer. So I just put everything in like so, and hopefully it's presentable. It's gonna take me 15 minutes to drive to my friend's house. Hopefully there's no traffic. I just messaged her to let her know like I'm on my way. So hopefully she'll be ready and we can like get ready. And the party's at 3. It's 12:30 at the moment, so hopefully I'm able to get her makeup done quickly and then help her set up and everything, and like have a good time. So guys, I'm just outside my friend's house. I finally got here. I got all my makeup that I need to do her makeup with, and yeah, let's just go to her house. So guys, I'm just on my way to the venue. I just dropped the girls off because she had the baby and like all the other stuff that she had to take, so dropped them off. There was no parking, so I had to go look for parking. Me and my gift bag are here. Ever seen a weather that is warm and so windy at the same time? Literally the wind is literally blowing me away at the moment. Don't know if you guys can even hear it, but yeah, I'm just walking to the venue now. I'm so out of breath.
Guys, we're done. We're out here.
Me and my food.
Suaad and her stash. We got some Caribbean food going on for Suaad's iftar today.
Yes, we're gonna put a TikTok on.